Hey there, fellow outlaws. Today, we're going to take one of these IBC totes and we're going to turn it into a duck pond. This way it'll be nice and easy to empty. I'll just be able to crank that valve and the water will drain out. As well as the problem that I've been having is because I have the pond at ground level currently, the chicken likes to kick in all the wood shavings and fill up the pond, and then it's really useless. This, what we're going to do is we're going to cut it off at this level, and this will all sit above ground, so the chicken won't be able to do that. And so the first thing we're going to need to do is take the tote out so we can cut the cage. Oh, come on. There we go. So now that I've got the top of the cage cut off, I'm going to go ahead and use a Sharpie and draw a line across the top. I want to cut these two things separately. That way it'll create a nicer edge instead of something being very jagged every time I made it through the metal. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this marked up and cut off. Boom. All right, so now that we've gotten the cage cut as well as the tote cut, let's go take this down to the duck run and get it started filled with water. Look out, chicken. This is where I'm going. All right, so we have the pond in and it's filled. And when I need to empty it out, I'll be able to just flip this and the water will come out. I'm actually going to end up putting a connector on there so that I can connect a hose to it and actually get it outside the duck run. I have seen ducks in it. They, as you can maybe see on the top of that thing, it's kind of wet over there. They've been able to get in and out of it. So I think this is a success. And I'm wondering, what should I do with the other half of the tote? Do you have any ideas? Please leave them below in the comments. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, as well as if you like these types of videos, you should subscribe to my channel. Maybe hit that notification bell. Anyways, that's going to do it for now. Peace, love, and all that hippie jazz. Yeah. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You know you want to, bossy. Hey, be nice. Yeah, she's a little rough looking already. Give her a break. You two look beautiful, though. Yeah.